Okay, guys. Today we're going to create a very simple Express server, and for that, I already created a folder here, Express folder, and I'm gonna create this project, typing npm in it. Okay, so now the package name is gonna be Express server. Just leave it that way. Then the version, same. I don't do anything there. Express simple Express server. That's gonna be on my description. Okay, the entry point is gonna be index.js. This is a file that I have to create. The test command, I don't put anything here. Git repository, nothing. Keywords, nothing. Author, Duniez Quijotano, that's my name. License, and then is this okay? Yes, and then the Express, this project has been created. So this package.json file is created when I created the project. Okay, now I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to install Express. So I just write npm install -- save Express. Then it begins downloading everything that I need, and then it creates this folder here, node underscore modules and package -log.json. Okay, so now I have installed all my dependencies. Now what I have to do is inside this folder create a file, and the file is going to be index.js, because that's the entry point. Okay, now what I have to do is just require Express. I'm going to call it Express. Use the keyword require, and then Express. Right? This is something that has to be done if I want to make this Express server run. All right. So I'm going to create a constant named app, and I'm going to just put Express here, this method here from Express. All right. Now with this app, I can do several things. So first, I want to do this because I want to listen to be able to run. Okay. So I'm going to create this constant here, right? And I'm going to call it port, right? And that's going to be 5000. That's the port that I'm going to be using to run this Express server. Okay, so I'm going to put here port, and then I'm going to put this arrow function, and I'm going to say in the console, I'm going to say this server is running on port, right? On port. But for this, I'm going to use this literal, template literal, okay? So I can use this variable inside, okay? The variable port, this one here, I can use it inside the string. I could have put it outside using a plus symbol, but I want to put it inside. So in JavaScript, you can use this text, that's called a template literal, and then you can put the variable inside using this dollar symbol and then square brackets here. Okay, so now my server is listening on port 500. Okay, so what I can do now is have some routes. So I can use get, and then here, when I have just the nothing after my URL, I can put here, use the request, rest, and next parameters, and I can say here response. This is for request, this is for response, and this is to give way to another middleware. But this is something more complicated. Don't worry about this now. I just wanted to show you what you can do. Okay, so I can say rest.json, and then I can say message and the message can be, this is my response, okay, in the browser. Okay. So Express is going to use this HTTP request and print this in the browser. Okay. Now, if I go, when I start running this server, if I go to localhost column 5000 and there's nothing after that URL, I will see this message. Okay. First of all, I want to run the server. So I come here to this package.json. Okay. There's no start here, right? What I can do is delete this and put start, right? And then say no, or actually it's not no. I can say index. Well, actually it's yes, node, and then index.js. Okay, sorry, not yet. So now, if I run that script, if I say no index.js, then the server is running on port 5000, right? And then if I come here and I write local host 5000, I say this is my response. So it's very simple, guys. It's just you create an index.js, you create this route, getting this whatever is in the base URL, and then you print this JSON file here, JSON message on port 5000. So you use local 5000, and then it will print the messages, this is my response, in the browser. Okay? Don't forget this is local. Okay? You will have to use something, some tweaks to make this global. Okay? This is just running on your computer on port 5000. Okay, guys, that's it. That's a very simple Express server, and I hope you liked it. And if you have any comments, you can put it in this the comments section of this video, and I will respond to you, get back to you as soon as possible. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.